Hi everyone. This is a little meditation for you to just get into a good feeling place with some statements to support you feeling loved and that you feel love from within and that you are able to attract and also maintain love. And that love comes into your life and stays. A secure love, a solid love. So just listen to these statements, and if you feel to, you can repeat them in your mind after me. It is safe for me to be love. It is safe for me to be loved. I am loved by life. Life loves me and moves through me. I am a being of love. It is safe for me to be loved in return. It is safe for me to be supported by life and by love. It is safe for me to be supported in life and in love. It is safe for me to be held by love. It is safe for me to be open to love. Love is always there waiting to embrace and hold me. Love never withholds. I now open and embrace love. Love embraces me. It is safe for me to receive love. I am love. Love is who I am. I now allow love to embrace me, move through me, and radiate out from me. I am no longer a kink in the chain. I am one with love. Love is there, even when I can't see it or feel it. Love is always there for me, ever present, ever patient. I choose now to let it in. It is safe for me to let it in. I allow love to flow freely to me, through me, and radiate from me. I am a co-creator in love. I am a beacon that radiates love to the world. I am love. I flow with the current of love. I flow in the current of love. I'm showing up for love. I am showing up for myself. I choose to show up, be connected, be consistent. I am doing this for me. I am love. I am love.